In 2025, insurance companies in the USA have become smarter, stricter, and faster at reducing car accident payouts. But that doesn't mean you can't beat the system legally. Today's video reveals the most powerful claim hacks 2025 that thousands of Americans are using to get bigger and faster insurance payouts. First thing you need to know, always document the scene like a pro. Take photos and videos from multiple angles, capture road conditions, skid marks, traffic signs, the other driver's car, license plate, and even witness statements. Because strong evidence forces insurance companies to increase the payout. Second, never admit fault on the spot. Even saying sorry can reduce your claim value instantly. Third, get a repair estimate from an independent mechanic, not the one your insurance recommends, because insurance-approved shops often give lower estimates to save the company money. Fourth, always file your claim within 24 hours, even if the accident looks small, because delayed claims are treated as suspicious and often get underpaid. Fifth, check your policy for hidden coverages like rental reimbursement, diminished value, towing, and medical payments. Most people don't know they're already eligible for this free money. Sixth, if the adjuster offers a low settlement, do not accept immediately. Instead, politely say, "I'm reviewing my repair estimates," and submit competing quotes. This alone increases payouts by 20% to 40% in most U.S. states. Seventh, always request a diminished value claim, especially if your car is less than 8 to 10 years old. Because even repaired cars lose market value, and the insurance company is required to compensate you for it. And finally, if the claim gets too complicated or the company starts playing games, hiring a claims specialist or a public adjuster can dramatically increase your payout without upfront fees, since most take a percentage only after winning the claim. These simple but powerful hacks help you save money, protect your rights, and make sure you never get lowballed by insurance companies in 2025.